Best armor enchantments. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys best armor enchantments in Minecraft. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So in today's video I will be sharing you 5 techniques or 5 ways. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So the first one is Deep Sea Diver Helmet. Enhancement: Aqua Affinity plus Respiration plus Protection. If you don't have the patience for turtle breeding, this enhancement set is for you. This helmet is outfitted with Respiration and Aqua Affinity to make ransacking shipwrecks a breeze. Topping the set off with Protection defends your noggin from thrown tridents when you are exploring underwater lanes. Pair this helmet with a portion of night vision to really peak your undersea efficiency. So the second one is Bulletproof Vest or Chest Plate. Enhanced: Projectile Protection plus Thorns plus Unbreaking. Good classic old-fashioned protection makes this set iconic when facing down waves of zombies and skeletons. Projectile Protection reduces damage taken from the arrows. The thorns let your clothes fight for you, lashing out at every long-range beat. This chest plate is great for foundation for any extra gear or buffs. So now the third one is Firefighter Equipment. Enhancement: Mending plus Fire Protection plus Unbreaking. Barreling into the furnace in the search of blaze rods, you're gonna need some powerful pants. Creepers, ghast, and blazes will be all far easier to brave with fire protection, and unbreaking and mending help them last, even when they are taking a lot of damages. A portion of fire resistant would go great with these leggings. So now the fourth one is Unbreakable Unbeatable Chest Plate. Enhancement: Mending plus Unbreaking plus Thorns. This chest plate is built to last. Every kills make it stronger again until it's good as new. Mending and Unbreaking are an iconic pair. Together they make equipment practically immortal, and with Thorns you'll find no mob can even get close to you. This chest plate would pair excellently with a shield to further block damages from arrows and creeper blasts. So now, last but not the least, Cliff Diver Boots. Enhancement: Feather Falling plus Unbreaking plus Mending. Now that coal is found in high altitudes, I find myself scouring mountain ranges and ravines far more frequently than I used to. If you're up high, you're gonna want those protect shoes to protect your feet. With feather falling, fall damage is greatly reduced, and unbreaking and mending keeps them sturdy enough to endure plenty of wear and tear. Elytra would make a great gear complement to these boots. So these were some of the enhancements for your armors. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.